I'm here. I wonder if anyone's home.
Goku's gonna be there? No way!
Well, now, it's been ages since I've seen him.
The World Tournament, huh? I guess I could enter. Yeah, but if you, Goku, and Vegeta are gonna be in it, then I've got no hope of winning at all.
You should still enter. Even 5th place gets a cash reward.
How much cash are we talking?
Oh, well, the champion gets 10 million zenny. 2nd place gets 5 million. 3rd place gets 3. 4th place 2. So 5th place gets 1 million, I guess.
We're entering the tournament, Krillin. Both of us.
Okay.
Mommy and Daddy are going somewhere?
That's right, Marin. Mommy and Daddy are gonna work hard and earn a lot of money.
Hooray! Good luck, Mommy and Daddy!
Right. Daddy's gonna do his best. Hey, don't tell Piccolo, okay? If he enters, then my chances of getting 5th place are shot.
You know I can't promise that.
By the way, what's with the super lame getup, huh?
Hey, it's not super lame. It's cool. You've lost your sense of style, Krillin. Bye.
Yeah, later!
Sorry, Krillin, but I've got to tell Piccolo too. Better hurry to Kami's lookout.
Jeez. Hey,
What?
give me a break.
Huh?
Wow.
Sure.
Huh?
What?
Sure.
Better make this fast. Huh? Right.
Hey. Huh?
What?
Give me a break.